Happy Friday, everybody, and Friday is my favourite day of the week. And it really is my favourite day of the week this week, because this week has been hard work. Anyway, so I'm in the workshop today. I've got a few bits and pieces to show you. Okay, first of all, we have... Does anybody know what these little masterpieces are? Look at that. That looks brand spanking new again. That there is a pair of ASR9006s. And yes, so they have been tested, cleaned, refurbished, and they are ready to go to... they are heading off to sunny France. I think they're going to a sunny location in France. I'm not sure. It might be northern France, and if so, they get the same weather that we've been having here in the UK. Anyway, so what else have we got apart from those two little beauties? Oh, here we go. First introduced in 2011, end of support 2019. They replaced the 10 slot, the 7010s. Sorry, the 9010s. And then originally they replaced the 7600 routers. Now replaced themselves by the 9906s. And if you wanted 9906s, they would cost you about 20 times the price of those. But anyway, what else have we got here? We have got, this is a mixed bag video today. So we've got some little UCS 160. Basically a UCS on a network module, so you can slide those into a 2900 or a 3900 router. What else have we got? Oh yeah, I'll do that little magnificent delivery we've had in today. There's Adver, Juniper, Huawei, Alcatel. Oh my goodness me. Transmission equipment, which we're going to log and make a list of what's come in, see if we can get some value back for the customer before going straight to recycling. So our preference is refurbishing first, and then if we can't find any refurbishing resale value, straight to recycle. But I just thought I'd show you before I go, not these little Draytech modems that are going out the door, but look at that, Extreme Networks in miniature. Look, we've got a little Fortinet firewall there. No, I don't recognise that one, but it looks a little bit like Palo Alto. And then we've got a little Dell server there. Oh, very cool. Anyway, we'll have some fun with that. So have a lovely weekend, and if you need any refurbish network, or you've got any old asset disposal equipment to get rid of, but you want a top value for it, then give us a call. You know where we are. Got to go. See ya. Bye.